Bensterav. That's Buccleuch of Moor. No, it's not. It's not Buccleuch. Sorry. Today we're with Peter again. Hi Peter.
Hi.
And that's looking down into the Glencoe. Starts there. That's Buccleuch. So we get some bad weather coming out our way. There's Rannoch Moor over there. Strange day. It was beautiful earlier. King's house.
It's Kingdom Land.
Aha.
Did you want to make second last with a tequila?
Rannoch Moor with Schiehallion. There's the first Munro. What a beautiful looking hill it is for here. Instead of that stupid route. So it's 3,500 feet high. You drop down to only 3,000 and there's that wee scramble up there which isn't exposed. It's just really nice. So as Peter was pointing out, there's Ben Derain that we did not long ago, and the one next to it, Benadoth Donaeth. And then there we've got the big Buccleuch, and right behind him we've got Ben Nevis with the CMD arete linking the two, and moors between them over there. We've got the Anach Igach, Bidian Nan Bian, and down there we've got Bensterav, and way over there Crooken, Stop Dam. Crooken's a pointy fella. There's Glen Etive down there.
wonder.
Good. Should do it. Because I've done it. What a mountain that one is. Brilliant. What a day for it. There's Peter again. Here's where we've just walked. We're at the two peaks. The middle one's Summit Harmony. There's the Ben. Some guy running. Looking down there, not there. We're not going to bother with that top. Here's where we just came from. Greece. Grey Quarries. That's where we're going. There's Ben Doreen. We are there. We didn't go up to that top. Ben Doreen. Still that height to go. We can see the up to Nevis. There's where we've been, and there's Ben Nevis. And that's the Moors. Look at that pointy wee dude. Stop van. That'll be the Grey Quarries. And there's Buccal Etif Moor. There's Shahali in the way over there. Loch Tulla. Benmore and Stabinian behind them. Ben Doreen. There. There's Ben Louis and Ben Sholib. And out there we can see, past Ben Starav, we can see the sea. And then there's Buccleuch Moor. And that's obviously Ben Nevis. There's the Anach Igach Ridge over there. That'll be Bidin Nan Beam. Grey Quarries. Trucking over there. Let's see there. Today.